Hey everyone, it's Casey here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make gaming YouTube videos. I'm going to go over everything from recording, to editing, to uploading, and to promoting, so make sure you can watch to the end to find out how to make your own gaming content. Step 1. Recording. Now, the software I recommend for recording is called OBS Studio. It's a powerful open source software that allows you to record your screen or your gameplay. And the best part is, it's free. So I'll leave a link to the official website where you can download the installer and install it on your computer. So once you've launched OBS, it should look something like this. Go to the plus icon on the bottom and click Display Capture. You can name it whatever you want, but I'm just gonna name it Screen. And as you can see, your screen will show up in the window and press OK. To add Facecam, go to the plus icon and click Video Capture Device. Name it whatever you want and click OK. Select your webcam from the Device tab and click OK. After that, resize it, then you're good to go. Whenever you're satisfied, click the start recording button to start recording your video. Now that you have your video recorded, let's get to editing. Step 2. Editing. The video editing software I'm going to show to you guys is called Olive. But I'm not going to show you how to use it in this video. Instead, I'm going to leave a link to a video on how to use it in the description below to compromise. For uploading, I'm going to talk mainly on two things: your title and your thumbnail. Those two key things are what attract your video to the viewer. Therefore, if you optimize them properly, you will get more views and of course, more subscribers. So what I recommend is that you make a title that makes a viewer want to click on your video and watch it. So for instance, you find the craziest seed in Minecraft. You can make a title that says, "This Minecraft seed will blow your mind. Here's why." And as a viewer, won't you tell me that you want to click on that video? Be truthful to yourself. And for your thumbnails, it's the same thing. Make your thumbnails so that the viewer will want to click on your video and watch it. Now, promotion is really easy. Just share your videos to a Discord server or a Reddit or a WhatsApp group or any form of mass media where you can share your YouTube videos to. And boom, you successfully made a gaming YouTube video. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like on it and subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye!